Rita Ora.
Yes.
You've at the party. What's your party piece?
Okay, all right, this might sound a bit weird, but it's the only thing I can... I might be a bit rusty as well.
Okay.
It's the only thing I can think of. I can burp the alphabet.
Wow.
Brilliant.
We haven't had that yet tonight.
No.
Okay.
Oh, not from A to Z. I'll give you a few letters, because I am a bit rusty.
Okay, okay.
Do you need a sort of a lubricant?
Yes. Maybe, actually. Just a little...
Yeah, lovely.
OK. By the way, only for you, Graham, is this happening on TV.
No, it's good. This is New Year's Eve. It's a party.
It is New Year's Eve. OK.
Yeah, here we go.
OK.
B, E, 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 F, E, H.
OK, I'm stuck.
Don't miss an all-new episode of The Graham Norton Show, Fridays at 11. Get caught up at bbcamerica.com, on demand and the BBC America app.